Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw using Mockuuups Studio alternatives for brand presentation, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred browser and accessing the Mockuuups Studio alternatives website. After the page loads, navigate to the Get Started or Sign Up section. If you already have an account, proceed to log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Locate the Brand Presentations section, usually found in the main menu. Select the option for withdrawal or download related to your project. Choose the format and resolution that best suits your needs. Review any additional settings or options to customize your file. Once satisfied, click on the Proceed or Confirm button. The file will start processing. Wait for a notification or confirmation message. After processing, look for the download link or button. Click the download link to save the presentation to your device. Locate the downloaded file in your device's designated download folder. Open the file to review your brand presentation. If needed, make any final adjustments before sharing or presenting. Now you're ready to showcase your brand using the downloaded presentation. Explore additional features or templates offered by the platform for future projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.